In this video, I will show you how to cluster sticky notes in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Next, go to your board and click on the sticky notes or objects that you want to organize. Once you select them, they will be highlighted, and a row of editing options will appear right above the selection. Look for the Cluster by button on the top toolbar and click on it to open the drop-down menu. In the drop-down, you will see several ways to group your sticky notes. For example, cluster by tag, cluster by color, or other available options depending on your board setup. Select the method that best fits your needs and Miro will automatically organize your sticky notes into neat, visual clusters. This feature helps keep your board clean and makes it easier to analyze ideas or sort feedback visually. And that's how to cluster sticky notes in Miro.